Semaphore Station is a newly added system in Sea of Conquest after the patch note 560. Welcome back to the Meta Instincts channel. Some of you may feel it looks complicated at first glance. Don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll understand precisely how it works, why it matters, and how to get the most out of it. Semaphore Station. The Semaphore Station comes with 8 unique orders. They look like flags, but they're simply another item that boosts the power of your ships. Each order focuses on a type of damage. For example, the Hunt order powers up cutthroat ships. But here's the catch, you can only use it on Warhammer or Black Wraith. And since there's only one Hunt order, you can't boost both ships simultaneously. Double cutthroat build might be less favorable after introducing the Semaphore Station. To equip an order to the ship, click on the plus icon beside the ship part and equip it. You can also access the Semaphore Station from the develop icon. Dominance order is for the flagship that boosts basic damage. You can equip it on other ships, but then your flagship will miss out. Unlock and upgrades. So, how do you unlock orders? You'll need order blueprints. We can now get the Hunt order blueprint through limited blueprint draws with Conches. Every 80 drawings guarantee either a full order banner or 50 blueprints. Use those blueprints to unlock a new order or promote the one you have. Orders start at green quality. As you promote it passes the 6th star, it will go to blue, purple, and finally orange. Each promotion boosts their stats, like armor, damage, and impact. Meanwhile, the order provides blessing attributes like extra attack, HP, impact bonus, and more. These attributes come with unique qualities starting from gray, green, blue, purple, and orange. Every blessing will randomly increase 1 to 3 attributes, where the low-quality blessing attribute will have a higher chance of getting enhanced. Each enhancement will also gradually fill up the progress bar. When the bar is filled, the quality will be upgraded to the next higher quality. For example, the gray bar will turn green after it is filled. Blessings require coins and blessing material, which can also be acquired from the blueprint drawings. We can view the summary of all attributes bonuses on the Semaphore Station page. Did you know a $100 bundle costs much more with digital tax depending on the country? For example, UK players would pay over $127 for a 10,000 Gleamstones bundle. With Lootify, you can get your first $100 bundle as low as $72. Yes, you hear me right, that's $72. And it gets even better, inviting 10 friends with your custom Lootify link can earn you up to $20 per friend who buys a $100 bundle. With Lootify, you save on every bundle, avoid the heavy digital taxes, and earn even more through bonuses and invites. Click the link in the description and start saving today with Lootify. Skill. Every order has a unique skill. For example, Hunt order gives you Bloodthirsty Blades, which deal cutthroat damage when the equipped ship uses a skill. But to activate it, you need to assign 3 heroes. The lowest quality hero decides the skill quality. So if you use 2 legendary heroes and 1 epic, the skill will only be epic. If all 3 are legendary, and it's legendary, the very best is legendary SP, but that needs 3 SP heroes. Besides, the lowest rank among the 3 heroes will decide the skill level. For example, we got Fung 3 stars, the lowest among the 3 heroes. Thus, the skill level is 3. Alright, it is the end of the sharing today. Please like and share it with your members. I'm Alan from Meta Instincts. See you soon.